Ghost. To stop talking to someone suddenly and never reply to their messages or calls. He ghosted me after our first date. She ghosted him after 2 months of chatting. Broke. Having no money or being out of money. I can't even afford a coffee. I'm totally broke. She spent all her money, now she is broke. Cap. Lie or something false. He said he met a movie star, but that's cap. Stop capping, we all know the truth. Shook. Shocked, surprised, or scared by something. Bro, I'm shook. Did you see that car crash? We were all shook by the earthquake. Hangry. Hungry plus angry equals hangry. Feeling angry or irritated because you are very hungry. I get hangry if I don't eat on time. Don't talk to me right now, I'm hangry. Beat. Very tired or exhausted. I've been working all day, I'm totally beat. I didn't sleep well last night, I'm so beat today. Gig. A job, especially a short-term, part-time, or freelance job. I'm looking for a gig to earn some extra cash. I got a new gig at the coffee shop this weekend. This is just a weekend gig, not full-time. Crash. To suddenly fall asleep, especially when very tired. I was so tired last night, I just crashed on the sofa. He came home and crashed without eating. Flex. To show off something, like your muscles, money, clothes. Stop flexing your phone, we all have one. Don't flex your bank balance in front of everyone. Ditch. To leave someone or something suddenly or without telling them. To skip an event, class, or place on purpose. He ditched me at the mall without saying anything. I ditched class today to hang out with my friends. Wasted. Very drunk or very high on drugs. Don't drive when you're wasted, it's dangerous. He looked completely wasted after 3 shots. Cram. To study a lot in a short time, usually just before an exam or test. He crammed all night before the exam. Everyone is cramming before the biology exam. Snatched. Someone looks very stylish, attractive, or perfect, especially in terms of makeup, hair, or outfit. That outfit is totally snatched. You're looking snatched today. What's the occasion? Your makeup is snatched. I love it. Tea. Gossip, juicy news, or interesting information. I have some tea to spill about last night's party. Come here, I have tea about Sarah and her new boyfriend. Dope. Something very cool, awesome, or impressive. The movie was dope. I want to watch it again. The party last night was so dope. Whip. A car, especially a nice or fancy one. He just bought a cool whip last week. I left my phone in your whip.